Antimatter is a concept in particle physics that refers to the existence of particles that are similar to ordinary matter particles but carry opposite electrical charges. In other words, antimatter is composed of antiparticles, which have the same mass as their corresponding particles but opposite charges. Every particle in the known universe has its antimatter counterpart. For example, the antiparticle of an electron, a negatively charged particle, is called a positron, a positively charged particle. Similarly, the antiparticle of a proton, a positively charged particle, is an antiproton, a negatively charged particle. When matter and antimatter particles come into contact, they annihilate each other, converting their mass into energy. This process releases an enormous amount of energy in the form of gamma rays. This annihilation is a fundamental principle of physics and has been confirmed through experiments. Antimatter has important implications in theoretical physics, cosmology, and practical applications. It is used in positron emission tomography (PET) scans in medicine and is also employed in high-energy particle physics research. However, producing and containing significant amounts of antimatter is extremely challenging and expensive due to its scarcity in the universe.